discuss it briefly what is Gantt chart and how it works, and then we will watch some videos also how we can make it. Okay, so Gantt chart is a bar chart that displays tasks scheduled over time, often used in project management software for its ease of updating in large or complex projects. So, for example, if I am doing any project of web development, social media marketing, or SEO of any website, and uh, doing something for their online presence. So, if I want to make a Gantt chart for this project, so what I need to do, okay, or if you are making a Gantt chart for example for your office, and you need to uh, do mention the task on Gantt chart, and you want to mention the timelines. So what will you do? So you will put the task, for example, web development, and then social media marketing, or then SEO, and then you will write the start time and end time. What is the expected time to finish this project, and what is the expected or actual time when we have started the project, and then we will keep updating the chart that on what date we will finish the project and we will complete the task. So we can subdivide the task so we can manage it more effectively and easily. So the term Gantt chart and project schedule are often used interchangeably. Is obviously that Gantt chart is used to schedule the project and to monitor the project and to identify the risks also. So once approved, the project schedule or Gantt chart becomes the schedule baseline, a formal document used to execute, monitor, and control project work. So this is very important. Like once it is approved, what Gantt chart or project schedule, same thing. So it's like now a formal document. You need to follow it and you need to work according to it, and you should keep tracking how you are going to manage the things, and if anything you find it delayed, so how you rectify it, how you overcome it, how you cater that situation in order to do the project uh, on time and accordingly. So for example, if any builder is making a house or doing any project, so he in Gantt chart he will mention all the duration, start time, end time, number of task, duration in the Gantt chart, and then he is going to control the things according to the Gantt chart and monitor the things, are they completing on time or not. So in this way we can do the work on time and meet the deadlines.